Hi guys, today I'm going to explain how to check the blower motors of Porsche 930's automatic heater system. At first, we need to check the engine compartment blower and relay box. This is a fan control unit. Okay, first I'm going to check these fuse. This fuse is power supply for additional blowers, and this is for engine compartment blower, big blower. And okay, 12 volts. Okay, 12 volts, 12 volts, and 12 volts. Okay, and 12 volts. Okay, additional blower, engine compartment blower. Okay, and turn it for good conductibility. And next, let's check the connector. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. At first, I'm going to check the ground. Number 2 pin is ground. Okay. And number 11 okay, but 11 pin is not proper ground, because this is connected to the armature of starter motor. So armature coil, the impedance of armature coil is so low, so it is almost the same to ground. But when I start the engine, 12 volts is coming to this pin. So this pin, the meaning of this pin is changed from ground to 12 volts. And the next, number 3 pin. Number 3 pin is connected to here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Additional blower. Power for additional blower. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 7, 7 and 8. 7 and 8 is connected. 7 and 8 is power for engine compartment blower. And 12 is number 12 pin is 12, 12 volts from ignition key. Okay. I'm going to turn on the ignition key. Turn on. Okay. $12. Okay. Next, I'm going to check the motor, engine compartment motor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to connect 8 pin and here. Same. Here. Or here. Okay. Engine compartment blower is working. And next, I'm going to check an additional blowers. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to connect number 4 and 3. Number 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Can you hear the sound of additional blower? Okay. Next, I'm going to turn this knob to 8, 9. Okay. Number 9, number 8, number 7. The speed of additional blower is low speed. So engine compartment blower and additional blower is working. Okay. There are 2 connectors. here. Yeah. This side is engine room and this side is control box. So the function of control box is I already mentioned in the other video. So today I'm going to check these two connectors. I'm going to check ground. 4-pin brown. Brown is ground. Brown and okay. And 6-pin brown is okay. And next, I'm going to check these yellow lines. Connect two yellow lines. Oh, I forgot the key. Key on. Ignition key on and connect two lines. Okay. Engine compartment fan is running. Yellow, yellow, and white, black, and black. Then additional fan is running middle speed. And next, check the red white line. Okay. Red white line is 12 volts. Okay. Okay. And finally, this. Connect yellow, yellow. And connect white, green. White, green. White, green, and brown. Maximum. Additional blower is running at maximum speed. And 12 volts. This 12 volts is from front trunk room fuse box. It is not from engine compartment fuse box. Front trunk room number 1 group and number 5 fuse. And this fuse provide electricity to electric side mirror system. Okay, that's all. Okay. Okay, that's all. My my car is so messy and dirty because this is my dog's seat. Hey, this is my dog. Hey. Thanks for watching. Enjoy cold season.